This is no ordinary construction site. It's the future of FC Barcelona. What's happening at the Spotify Camp Nou right now? Major progress, hidden challenges, and new milestones you need to see. Let's dive in. The transformation of the Spotify Camp Nou is reaching an exciting phase, and we're starting today at the goal Norte. Workers have been installing prefabricated stands, and most of this area is now complete, except for a small section in the corner. Crews are also busy aligning diagonal beams and lifting structural elements into place. Moving to the goal Sur, things are heating up as they prepare for new concrete pours. This area has seen steady progress, with reinforcements already set for some key sections. Meanwhile, near the parking zone, new formwork is being prepared to extend the structural framework. One of the most talked about updates is the second-tier VIP level. For months, we've been waiting for progress here, and it's finally visible. The first green support pillars are in place, marking a major step forward. These will eventually carry the weight of the extended upper stands. Over at the Tribuna, work continues to move fast. Prefabricated panels have nearly completed the lower sections, and new concrete layers are being added. Workers are also finalizing the diagonal supports and preparing the platforms for seating installation. This area is starting to look like it will soon be ready for interior finishes. Next, let's talk about the corners. The structure connecting the Tribuna and North goal area is almost seamless now, with only a few final adjustments left. The same goes for the south corners, where formwork is already up, and new panels are arriving for placement. New panels for the next level are being prepared. Teams are actively reinforcing the areas with steel mesh, Farala, before concrete pouring begins. While some sections remain exposed, most of the framework is already in place. At the lower levels, foundations for parking areas are taking shape. Reinforcements have been added, and concrete pouring is imminent. Once complete, this zone will provide much-needed structural support for the stadium's expanded facilities. Looking ahead, the team has clear goals for the next phase. By the end of this month, they aim to complete the lower north goal section and finalize seating installations. Meanwhile, the upper sections will see added structural support to enhance the stadium's overall stability. As these pieces come together, the transformation will start to reflect the bold vision for Camp Nou, both in terms of functionality and visual appeal. Step by step, the Spotify Camp Nou is transforming. From prefabricated seating to massive pillars and intricate concrete works, every detail counts. This iconic stadium is inching closer to its new identity, blending tradition with cutting-edge engineering. Subscribe now to stay updated on every milestone at Camp Nou.
you.